model a simple company structure. Do not focus on this thing. If you don't understand, it's okay. The only thing is you need to create 3 classes. How many classes? You need to create 3 classes, okay? 3 classes. Class 1, that is employee class. And this class is parent class or base class. Alright? You need to create one class, parent class. Like here, you created this rectangle class. This is a parent class or base class. Then inside this class, you need to define attributes. How you define the attributes? This is how you define attributes. We just saw a while ago. This, okay? And you need to write DEF. Alright. The attributes are name and employee ID. Here the attributes are length and width. But here we have attributes name and employee ID. Then we have method. Okay. And the method name is get information. Alright. What you need to print? You need to print name and ID. Here, if you see this defined area, so here you have length and width, but here you have name and employee ID. So you need to print that one, okay, in the method section. Then you need to create another class that is manager. Alright. This is a subclass, a child class of employee class. This is a subclass or also known as child class of this parent class. So you need to create this manager class, and you need to create another attribute, that is team size. Remember, you need to adopt or inherit this name and employee ID from this class to this class, but this is additional attribute. Remember, okay, this is additional attribute. Like manager will have name, employee ID and team size. I don't know how to write something here. This one? Can I write with this one? What is this? Johnny, what is this? How to write? Can I write? Okay, highlight. Anyway, okay, highlighter is also good. This one is additional attribute. Okay, additional attribute means this manager is having name, the manager is having employee ID, and the manager is having a team size. Let's say some people working on this under this manager, like 5 people. Okay. And then this manager is having its own method, that is show team. You can use this method and you can also use this method. Then we have another class that is engineer. Alright. This is also a subclass of this employee class. Okay. And this engineer is having additional attribute, that is programming language. Like one attribute is here, name, the second attribute is employee ID, the third attribute is programming language. An additional method, it means this engineer is using this method and also this method. Alright, 2 methods. Here you need to use super dot init. This underscore init underscore. Okay, you will use super, and super will call what? Super will call this parent constructor first. Okay, you understand? You will use super here in this class, and you will use super in this class. Okay, super you will use in both classes to constructor over here. Okay. Your task, use inheritance to, so manager and engineer inherit from this employee. Inside the constructor of each subclass, call the base class constructor using super, this bracket and dot. Inside the constructor of each subclass means child class, call the base class is parent class, constructor using, so whenever you want to call the constructor of this parent class, you will use super in the child class. Should be clear now. Create one manager object, okay, one engineer object. You need to create at the end two objects. Call all methods of both objects to show all information. And this is what you should see. M for manager, E for engineer. So these are the objects name. Okay. Is this clear to everyone?